Russian toymaker Rubrik has expanded its lineup with a unique model kit inspired by the hit sci-fi series CyberVillage. This kit allows fans to construct their own CyberBukhanka, a futuristic, flying off-road vehicle that mirrors the iconic UAZ 452 Bukhanka featured in the show. The CyberVillage series, set in the year 2100, follows the adventures of a Martian farmer navigating Earth, blending rural life with advanced technology. Launched in 2023, the series has quickly gained a strong fan base, making the CyberBukhanka kit an instant hit. The 521-piece model kit is designed for versatility, allowing builders to assemble both a wheeled version of the CyberBukhanka and a jet engine variant. For the flying model, a stand is included, allowing the finished piece to be suspended at a height of 17 centimeters. The kit also features a miniature figure of Robogozin, a popular robot character from the series. The CyberBukhanka kit's assembly process follows the Lego-style approach, making it accessible for fans and collectors of all ages. Adding to the fun, the set joins other unique collectibles, including Mattel's recent Hot Wheels release that pays homage to custom-tuned cars with garage-style decorations, large spoilers, and various body modifications.